Hi everyone, it's Jess from Summer Lane again. How's everyone today? So today what I'm going to talk about will be our favorite brand in the whole store, which is Seedling. And for a very good reason, because Seedling is made in New Zealand. The benefit of the Seedling products are they give you the kit where the kids are allowed to use their own imagination and give it's up to how they want to create the product, and they create and ask questions, and it's all about communicating with adults and building relationships, and most importantly about using their own imagination to create what they want to with the particular kit. So I'm going to show you a couple of products here. That's some of them, and we've got three stands full of Seedling kits. My personal favorite this time around is the butterfly mask. Well, for obvious reasons, because I'm a girl. Um, so with the butterfly mask, you get the mask, you get the glitter glue, you get instructions, ribbons, and you know what? Give this to a little girl. It's recommended for ages 6+. Give it to a little girl, and she will just more than enjoy it, and she can use the mask, play with make believe, put on her fairy dress, and yeah, create something that she can call her own. And if she needs help, she can ask mom or dad to help out. But more than often, I don't think she'll need any help. I mean, it's very straightforward. And the next thing I really, really like is which is pretty gender neutral and very sciencey. Once again, for 6 and onwards, is this little kit here. This is the Let's Rock Break Your Own Rocks. So it comes with a magnifying glass, a set of goggles, and some rocks that you can break into and figure out what's in there, and look at the things that come out of the rocks. Yeah, so like Seedling says, we love the potential in every child and take basic skills and materials and make something extraordinary. I think it's great, to take a break from video games and to actually exercise some imagination for kids. That's great. Um, last but not least, but one of my other favorite ones is this create your own designer dolly. This one was featured in one of the magazines where Jessica Alba actually created one for her little daughter. It's cute. You get a dolly, you get clothing and whatnot, and yeah. So basically, I will be, because we like the product so much and we really want you to experience Seedling, I will be putting, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'll be putting a coupon code down at the bottom in our About Us section, and it's time limited. So you can check out with the coupon code using one of the codes to get one of these kits with at a discounted price, and just bear in mind these are great kits for great gifts, and they're gorgeous. Have a look at it, and if you have any questions, please comment down below, and have a good week. Bye.